Next problem. Solve 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Here, the given equation is in the expression of x by y. When it is expressed in either y by x or x by y, then it is suitable to homogeneous differential equation. First, we can write the given equation is in the form of dy by dx. Okay. Further, 1 plus e power x by y into dx is equal to minus of e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy. So dy by dx, this is taking to dy by dx, that is equal to 1 plus e power x by y in by minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y. Just here, let it be f of x comma y form or f of x by y form. Okay. Now we can check it, is it homogeneous or not? Okay, f of x comma y is equal to f of kx comma ky. Okay, when the function is expressed in x comma y variable. Here, this is the reduction of the x by y means just you can take kx by ky, kk cancel, kx by ky, kk cancel, kx by ky, kk cancel. So, which is the homogeneous form. Okay, let it be equation 1. Equation 1 satisfies homogeneous condition f of x comma y is equal to f of kx comma ky. Now, we can solve the equation 1 by the method of the homogeneous. Okay, let here x by y is equal to taking v, then x is equal to vy. Now it is differentiating with respect to y only. Why? Because the expression is in x by y, then we are differentiating with respect to y. If it is in y by x, we are differentiating with respect to x. Here, dx by dy is equal to v into 1 plus y into dv by dy. Okay. So here x equal to vy and dx equal to dy, let it be equation 1. But the given equation, I am taking dy by dx, then it can change into dx by dy. Okay. That is dx by dy means interchange of the numerator and denominator, minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y by 1 plus e power x by y. Now, this is the equation 1. Okay, substitute in equation 1. Equation 2, substitute in equation 1. In the place of dx by dy, write v plus y dv by dy y dv by dy equal to, in the place of x by y, we write minus e power v into 1 minus v by 1 plus e power v. Now the v is taking to right side. Y dv by dy equal to minus multiply e power v minus into minus plus v e power v by 1 plus e power v minus v. This is taking to right side. Now simplify. It is equal to minus e power v plus v e power v minus v into LCM 1 plus e power v by 1 plus e power v. It is equal to minus e power v plus v e power v minus v into 1 minus v plus into minus minus v e power v by 1 plus e power v. Minus v e power v plus v e power v get cancelled. So y dv by dy equal to minus e power v minus v by 1 plus e power v. Taking minus common, minus of e power v plus v by 1 plus e power v. Now use the variables are separable method. Then 1 plus e power v by e power v plus v into dv equal to minus dy by y. Integrate on both sides. Integral 1 plus e power v by e power v plus v dv equal to integral minus right outside dy by y plus c. Here it is in the form of integral f dash of v dv by f of v is equal to log f of v form. That is the suitable formula is log f of v. So here it is log of e power v plus v. Why? Because v differentiation is 1, e power v differentiation is e power v. So it is equal to minus log y plus c. C can be written as log c. Log of e power v plus v is equal to log a minus log b, log a by b, log c by y. Log cancel. E power v plus v equal to cy. Then y value substitute. Sorry, v value substitute. V equal to x by y substitute in above. Then e power x by y plus x by y equal to cy, taking LCM, y into e power x by y plus x equal to c. Why? Because denominator y, here denominator y, both will get cancelled. Okay. Therefore, y e power x by y plus x equal to c is the required solution. Of given homogeneous differential equation.